If your business is scattered across Google Docs, Notion, email threads, and random to-do apps, you're not alone. But what if you could put everything, tasks, leads, SOPs, content, and automation, in one smart system? Today, I'll show you how to build a powerful business system using ChatGPT plus Notion AI, so you can automate your brain and scale your operations without hiring. Step 1. Define your workflow. Before we build anything, you need clarity. Ask yourself, what are the core activities in your business? What steps repeat daily, weekly, or monthly? Where are you wasting time? Break down your workflow into sections. 1. Lead generation. 2. Content creation. 3. Client projects. 4. Finance and admin. 5. Communication and follow-up. This becomes the skeleton of your system. Step 2. ChatGPT for SOPs, emails, content. Now we bring in ChatGPT to generate the standard operating procedures, SOPs, email responses, proposals, and content outlines. Examples. Write an SOP for onboarding a new client in my graphic design business. Draft a follow-up email to a cold lead. Generate 30 Instagram caption ideas for my product. Show copy-paste into Notion templates. This is where AI becomes your co-founder, speeding up systems, reducing decision fatigue, and keeping everything consistent. Step 3. Build your Notion AI dashboard. Let's create a central dashboard in Notion that covers tasks, content, calendar, lead tracker, project hub, SOP library, finance tracker. Use Notion AI for auto-summarizing meetings, generating to-do lists, creating task dependencies, reminding you of follow-ups. Show how to build database views, filtered dashboards, and templates. Step 4. Link CRM, content, and project systems. Now let's connect your workflows so you're not jumping between tabs. Examples. When a lead is marked hot, right pointing arrow auto create a follow-up task. When a post is approved, right pointing arrow schedule in content calendar. When a payment is received, right pointing arrow log in finance tracker. Demo. Using Notion relations, filters, and rollups. Bonus, automate with Zapier and Make. Notion plus ChatGPT is powerful, but with Zapier or Make, it's unstoppable. Examples. New email in Gmail, right pointing arrow extract lead info, right pointing arrow auto create Notion entry, Stripe payment, right pointing arrow update client record, right pointing arrow trigger welcome email, new Instagram post, right pointing arrow login content tracker, right pointing arrow update analytics. This isn't just a tool stack, it's a business system. It runs 24/7. It never forgets. And it's custom built by you, for you. Comment OS please, and I'll send you the exact template I use to manage clients, content, and cash flow.